So here I am on my rock again on this beautiful summer day. Here it is, sitting on it with my little towel. And as you can see, you can look down a little bit. Really nice little area, completely covered in trees and green and beautiful Mother Earth. Just absolutely outstanding. Love it. I absolutely love it. See, I took my shoes off. Anyway, I love it here, and I don't know what to say other than that it's divine up here. Really it is. It has such a special, powerful feeling to it. You hear the birds and the bees and the scurrying of little animals, you know. It's just not uncomparable, you know, and because I'm more of a country girl, I usually like to be, you know, obviously in the country, but living in the city. I mean, I love Montreal, don't get me wrong, the city's awesome, but I need to come here, you know, at times, a lot actually, to just feel Mother Nature and see how gorgeous it is, and hear the birds, feel the energy of the trees, the rocks that are around me. You know, they have a super unique vibration as well. And, yeah, I mean, it's just uncomparable. Love it here. And, hopefully you'll enjoy this, and, as much as I do. Get out into nature. It's, truly invigorating and energizing. And it has a lot for you, a lot of energy, a lot of strength, a lot of grounding. Something that we need in this day and age. There's a lot of energies coming in, and it's definitely nice to feel grounded and to house the energy properly, and not be too flighty and out there, if you know what I mean. So anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. Love you all. Bye.